Oh, hello, my friend. Welcome to my house. This is my home. How are
Hello.
you doing today? It is
Hello,
me,
I'm
your
doing
good
pretty
pal
good.
and T, and we are going to be touring my house today. I hope you are ready and excited because good things are about to happen. So if we come on right down here, we could see let's just point out the biggest, most obvious thing. Right here, we got myself a Texas. This is my Texas. I built it myself. I'm the only resident of Texas. This is showing yourself my state pride. It's humongous.
This is
and
excessive, man. You
I
didn't
didn't
need to go this
I
far.
didn't intend for it to be this freaking big dude, but it ended up being this freaking big dude. And then behind it, I don't know if you noticed, but behind the chum bucket, tucked away, there's a kind of a small American flag back here. I
Oh,
wouldn't
yeah.
blame you if you missed it, but this is a symbol for country pride, but not as
Yeah,
big
I mean,
as the
you gotta show
Texas
that
pride,
pride.
of course. We look right here. We could see some nice little maps right here of Wheat Sanctuary.
Oh wow, communist propaganda.
Then if you follow me up here, we got a lot of fun things going right here. We got ourselves Team Europe, Team Brothers, Team People Who I Thought Was Mexican, and Team Favorite Deep Sheet members. Okay, we got the mandatory wheat right here. I don't
Nice.
know why this looks like it was recently harvested. I don't know what that's about.
It's because I kept
but-
stepping on the farmland.
And then next to it, you can see we got the melons here.
Oh, wow.
I love melons, but not as much as my favorite item, which my favorite item is right here in this Christmas chest. Ignore the
Oh,
fact
wow.
that it is a Christmas
We're
chest.
filming a lot in
uh,
this time period. Oh yeah.
Just listen to that. Listen
You
to
got
those.
an end chest here
Listen to
too.
those two. Yeah, I got that as well, but there's books in there
And
that
this
I only
enchantment
happen to-
table and these bookshelves.
Over here, you look inside this chest right here. In here, we actually have 800 diamonds. Now,
Oh, wow.
you can pause the video and check for yourself, count it up for yourself, audience.
No one's gonna do that.
I guarantee you that there is 800 diamonds in this chest. All right, now if we come on up here to the higher level, I got myself a monitor right here. I'm actually really glad that no one has written anything on the monitor.
Yeah, that's actually really convenient.
Yeah, this monitor came all the way down from Canada. A dust storm blew it all the way down here,
Wow.
and I've been using it since. Yeah, and this right here, this is a drawing tablet, but Egg thought it was a mouse for some reason.
Oh wow. Well, I mean, Egg is kind of retarded, so.
In this chest right here, we have a what? Ignore that map. That was nothing. Then we have this Mountain Dew Green, Mountain Dew Red, and a Squip. This is a reference to Be More Chill. Now, if you follow me up here, we got a lot of things going
quite
on up here. This
inspirational.
is the head man.
Dude, this is freaking Go Ray.
This is Fireball. It's in tradition with the dead Deep Sheep Pet. And then over here we got ourselves Go Ray right here. He's
Oh,
my
is he a
personal
Deep
pet.
Sheep member too?
No, he's not a Deep Sheep Pet. And then if we look over here, this painting represents my burning hatred for and I hate them all with a burning passion. And then over here, if we look here, this is Doodleception right here, dude. Doodleception, man. I'm a
Doodleception, man.
doodler,
It's a conspiracy.
so I doodle the doodle of a doodler. We can see Ender Pig, my mental best friend. He's a nice dude. Probably the
Dude,
best
you're
pet.
insane. This is multiple personality disorder.
And if you follow me up on top of my head, we get a nice view of my mesa biome. That is my biome.
Wow,
It's a
did you
lovely-
build this by Phil?
No, I built this by hand, block by block. This is something you might notice straight off the bat. This is the I Eat Kids sign. This reference to Gravity Falls. Good show. I don't know why this chest is here. Just ignore that. Okay. Oh, actually, thank you whoever put this here. I like this. We can see Feathers and Old Man Villager. This is reference to my series Herp Derp Craft. And then here we got Old Man Villager. He's a classic character, and as like most villagers, he's a freaking stoner, dude. He walked up to me, dude, and he's like, "Yo, what's up?" I was just, worshiping not Jesus because I'm Jewish. And then, dude, he was like, "Dude, bong," and he pulled out his bong. Then if you follow me over here, dude, right here we got ourselves the Grow and Roast. We can just walk on through. You come on through these doors. This is where like the magic happens, dude. If you turn this machine on, you actually can get some baby chickens, dude.
Oh
Ignore
my
the fact that the
God.
door is clicking down there. That's nothing.
What do
dude.
these chickens do?
They bang and they make eggs and they
Oh, dude, so when they grow up, they burned it to death.
yeah, they grow and then they roast. And then you come on over here. Here we got ourselves the boys' room. And then if we come on here, to the best. No, dude, don't open that, dude. It's conspiracy, man. Stop it, man.
Oh,
Dude, stop.
sorry, man. I'm sorry. That just was a
If
conspiracy.
we come on through here, the boys' restroom is kind of broken.
Oh, wow.
Nothing in here works.
Broke roast.
All right, so if we come on down here, we can see that filthy, stupid piece of garbage Lunar put his propaganda here. If we come on through here into the back, we got the girls' restroom is also broken. All the restrooms are broken for some reason. Right here, dude. Right here,
you
right
got a
outside the
big
grown roast.
That's a big
There's
freaking hole.
There's a big hole. We're not going to go down there right now. We'll see that later. Anyway, so if we look right here, we got ourselves the chum bucket. Not only a reference to SpongeBob, it's also a reference to Deep Sheep. Of course, it's a parody of the fact that Chris has the the Krusty Krab in his backyard. It's very accurate to the actual Chum Bucket, even down to the giant H that's in the restaurant for no reason.
Oh yeah, I remember that from that episode about
Yeah, that
H.
one episode.
Wow.
We look right here. We even got Karen. She is giving a negative output. She's not feeling too good.
Wow,
She's,
that's kind of
yeah,
negative.
Then if we come on around the side, underneath the small American flag, we can see a statue of myself, my real life self, not that game statue. That's what I really look like in real life. I'll put a picture of what I really look like on screen right now. Just
The recreation,
for comparison.
live recreation.
Yeah. Come on over here to the back. We can see my beautiful, glorious creature, Elliot, the glorious golden stallion. Unlike some of the other animals that we've had to respawn, this guy has actually been the same one the whole time, somehow magically, even though I thought he died.
Yeah.
He has lived, and I am trying so hard to keep him alive, even though certain evil forces have said that they would not like him alive.
What is that?
You see, me and Elliot, we're filthy racist, and we hate llamas with a burning passion because they're horse wannabes. The original one that I hung was killed by Dell, then I spawned another one, and then Dell killed that one, and then I spawned another one, Ed killed that one, and then I believe you killed the fourth one, and then I killed the fifth one, and then you killed the sixth one, and I killed the seventh one. And then now we're down to... No! Oh my god, you scared the freaking wiener off me. Oh my god. So right here, this year is Wheat Pants. He is my pet. I mean, everyone's pet. He is everyone's pet. He is our personal mascot, and
not at all a parody of anything.
So Wheat Pants is actually immortal.
Oh wow!
As far as I know, it's really hard to kill Wheat Pants. You can beat him around all you want, you won't get anywhere.
Oh shoot!
Oh shoot! No! So right here, I almost forgot to point this out. This is Crafting Table Mountain. There was a time that I tried to order one crafting table off of Amazon, but they made a typo and gave me 1,000, and the drone just delivered them all at once, and they've piled up here into Crafting Table Mountain. Wow. And now everyone who needs a crafting table just comes to Crafting Table Mountain, and they can use a crafting table.
I could see this being useful for something.
Alright, so if you follow me down here, this is my basement down here. There's a lot of fun stuff going on in this basement. It's something in this world I noticed is pretty much everyone's basement is creepy, but mine is somewhat happy and
yeah, this is nice and warm and welcoming. I love it.
If we look through here, this is the mine shaft that was in the cave-in. It's all connected somehow.
Oh wow, the ancient diggers of old came.
So here we have the fireplace, and there's no point in trying to hide it. It's obviously trying to hide something behind it.
What?
If you go down here, you might have seen this in a certain someone else's house tour, and they showed it too early, but that's fine. That's whatever. But up here, this is where an illegal Mexican immigrant tried to cross a border. We're just going to block that up right there.
Oh wow.
If we look right here, this room is actually the Wheat Cult Sacrifice room.
Visual aids will follow.
So yeah, I built this, and then over here we got the mine shafts again. Everything in my house is pretty much connected through mines. As I said, Mexicans tried to dug in here, but I killed them all. Alright, so over here we got this awesome table. The greatest table on the planet. It is incredible. If you try to throw an item in it, it'll just get sucked into the floor. Or you'll just miss. Oh. One more shot. Come on.
Do I have anything else?
Oh yeah!
Yeah!
This tank right here, this is my squid tank. It's where I keep all of my hentai. Gotta have lots of it in here. And then secretly behind it, if I can get through, and if you can get through, we have,
wait.
There you go.
Oh my lord!
We have more of the tunnels. They stretch out far and wide. There's the sacrifice room. So if you come on over here, you might remember Lunar likes to spread his communist propaganda all over the place. So every time I see them, I collect them and take them here and burn them because I don't like seeing them. And then back here, this is the 18+ section of the library. We have not
Egg's
kept this.
favorite.
And then at the back here, we have my legendary dungeon that many people know of, but very few have entered. So if we come on through here,
do they leave if they enter?
That's not important. Yeah, this place is currently not inhabited. That's
not
weird.
a word.
But if you look on through here, we got ourselves a freaking peep show, dude. Yeah.
Dude, into the ladies' room.
If I just flip this lever right here.
Oh yeah!
All right. Oh god, they see us! Oh shoot, get out! Get out! Then right here, this is something my good friend Egg made. He made me this room, and I decided to build this ginormous room. This is the gradient room. I was going to have all 256 possible gradients, but I had to get rid of them because it was causing lag, so we only have 16. Warning, this will cause lag if you open one.
Oh
my god, frame drop.
It dropped me to 1 frame.
Oh my goodness.
This one's missing.
Alright, I hope you enjoyed my house tour. I sure as heck enjoyed it. I figured out whoever stole that gradient. I don't know who it was, but I'll kill him. But I hope you enjoyed this house tour, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.